If you haven't heard, OSHA has issued a final rule that eliminates the requirement for establishments with 250 or more employees to electronically submit information from the Forms 300 and 301 to OSHA each year. But please remember, these establishments are still required to electronically submit information from OSHA Form 300A. Their final rule came about after the realization that collection of certain information can be quite sensitive, including descriptions of workers' injuries and body parts affected. And as a result, they are avoiding the risk that such information might be publicly disclosed under the Freedom of Information Act. I also need you to know that the final rule does not alter an employer's duty to maintain the physical copies of the OSHA 300 and 301 on site, and OSHA will continue to obtain these forms as needed through inspections and enforcement actions. The agency is also amending the record-keeping regulation to require covered employers to electronically submit their employer identification number with their information from the Form 300A. The final rule's requirement for employers to submit their EIN to OSHA electronically along with their information from OSHA Form 300A will make the data more useful for OSHA and BLS and could reduce duplicative reporting burdens on employers in the future. We get that question all the time about BLS forms and the OSHA log, so I'm hoping this new change will kill two birds with one stone. Also, one more big change to talk about here. First, the usual note needs to be made about getting your 2018 300A logs hung in a conspicuous location starting February 1st and going through the last day of April. Now, second, and this is where the new change, the big new change has come. The e-filed 2018 300A form must be electronically submitted by March 2nd. We've had some clients confused on this because the past couple years has been in July. So again, March 2nd, all 300A e-filed logs must be submitted for the 2018 data. You do not want to be late. Late means non-reporting. Okay, any questions, speak to your consultant or feel free to contact me at jakew@summitsafetygroup.com. With that, I'm Jake Wolfenden with Summit Safety Group, and I will see you next time. Have an awesome day.